Good afternoon, students. This lecture on Lyapunov stability. Stability. This is a basic condition of stability, asymptotically stable. Consider a system represented in a state space. These are the equation. And second condition, bounded input, bounded output stable. Also known as Bibo criteria. Means on input output stability. Means output must be 0 to infinity, not a infinity. Stable and Bibo stable. Again, explanation in definition. Asymptotically stable, all eigenvalues of the system have negative real part, not positive real part. ठीक है. Only existence in LHS, left and plane. And Bibo stable, all the transfer function poles will be LHFs. Left side of the plane. Lyapunov stability. This is the equations and examples. And this is the origin, also called as equilibrium points, and x1 x2 and two variable x dash. This is the example matrix equilibrium lines. This x1 ut equal to only consider for positive right hand part, then ut equal to 0, sorry, only consider negative part. So let's assume the ut equal to 0, then this and calculation this. And definition: an equivalent state Xe of an autonomous system is stable in the sense of Lyapunov. This is a infinity and this is a phase portrait. An equilibrium state Xe of the autonomous system is asymptotically stable. It is stable and existence is this. Asymptotically stable in the large, globally asymptotically stable. If the system is asymptotically stable for the all initial states, the equilibrium point is said to be asymptotical or explanation stable in large. It is also called globally asymptotically stable. Lyapunov stability theorem. Theorem 1, stability. X0 is stable. Theorem 2, asymptotically stable. And these are conditions and these are functions. Theorem 3 of the Lyapunov stability theorem. Theorem 3, globally asymptotically stable. And these are conditions and follow the and x is Lyapunov function. A function Vx is called Lyapunov function. Vx and dv upon dx are the continuous in the region R containing the origin. Vx is a positive definite in R, and relative to the system x equal to fx Vx along the trajectory, the system is negative semi definite in R. A scalar function Vx is positive negative definite if v is 0, v greater than to 0. A scalar function and positive negative semi definite, v equal to 0, vx equal to 0, v greater than to 0. A function is not defined the semi defined in the sense indifferent to the. These are example v1 positive definite x1 x2 x3. radical and convert in matrix form x and a component, the xt transfer ax. Symmetrical matrix Q. These are conditions and steps. Simply Sylvestern criteria. A symmetrical n into n matrix Q is PD if and only if all its n legal principal minor are positive. Remarks. Lyapunov method. Example x1 from these equations. Thank you.